Yo, yeah, we're going to work now. This is how it is at the moment. The water is very calm, full of clouds, but there's the sun. Yeah, we go now. Already 1:10 when I left the house. Yeah, and my duty will start at 2 and we'll finish by 10:30. And most of my schedule this week are all in the coming weeks also are all yeah, night shift. I am going to miss waking up early, doing breakfast things. There's still some water in here. Yeah, ever since there was flooding until now, the water is in here still. I have my coffee here. Very hot still. Yeah, it is now 1:32 and so you still have time. We're just going to have a look in here quick. Look at that, there are many people down there. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, good morning guys. It is now 8:50. I just finished my laundry. Yeah, and this is overwhelming. Yeah, I'm at the moment looking at my cryptocurrency. I will show it to you. And at the moment, as you can see, I have $2,366.96. Yeah, and notice that, yeah, on January 5, I have just 242.06. Yeah, it becomes 2,366 because of the BitTorrent, this one. There is a noisy bird in the grass. I think he is catching a worm. Yeah, you hear that? And I just finished my laundry. It is now 5 minutes to 9 o'clock. It is drying outside. It's just the trouser and 2 apron. And today my duty today is 2 o'clock, so I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. I'm now hungry. These chicken cubes, I'll put it here. I put one of these. It's now boiling. We had some beans. Okay, so yeah, we are going to work now. It was already 1:30 when I left the house. Just giving just 30 minutes allowance to get to work. Yeah, water is very calm. Yeah, the heat of the sun is a little extreme. Yeah, you see it is cloudy, but the heat of the sun is you can really feel it. There are many people, especially in the beach side. People are doing some picnics. Okay, we are now here. If you look at this wood, this looks like an elephant. Yeah, actually the time now is 1:49. It means that I have 10 minutes to start my duty. Okay, we go. Yo, good morning guys. It's almost 9 o'clock already. Yeah, I had my cup of coffee already also. I was posting on my Facebook regarding my cryptocurrency. If you remember, in 2017, I was doing this cryptocurrency. I bought around 400, almost $500 of different coins, cryptocurrency. Yeah, and it gains, it becomes more than 1,500 plus dollars during 2018, 2017 to 2018. And then 2019, 2020, I was not looking at it. I was not touching it. I maybe check, but it actually becomes very low, less than $100. All of them, all the coins that I have around 8 different coins. It becomes 10 dollars, 15, 20, something like that. Yeah, but it never goes to zero. It just stays on very low value. So I was keeping those. And this 2021, all those coins are keep on growing. You can try cryptocurrency. I feel that cryptocurrency is the fastest way to make money. You just keep on watching, focus. Yeah, the trick is to buy the coins when it's low and sell it when it's high. So at the moment, I have a total of $2,350. Actually, this morning it was already 2,700. But like what I've said, the BitTorrent is going down. Yeah. So before it goes totally down, I swap it with the Bitcoin. I have this. And I also have this. Yo, we are out here because we're going to meet some people at the Albora Marina. 11 o'clock when I left the house. The temperature this time is just good. Oh, along the way I saw the Filipino, the Asian looking guy, which I was thinking he's a Filipino or Thai. Yeah, and it was confirmed that he is Filipino. So basically he is on his bike and I am on my bike. Yeah, that's just now. We always nod to each other like, hi, good morning. Yeah, I always do like that with him or him to me along the way. Yeah, and just now he speak to me. And then I asked if you're Filipinos, you know. Yeah, we confirmed that we both are Filipino. Yeah, we had a little talk, and he said that some of his friends in Queensland are watching my video. Yeah, good. And now I'm looking for the people that I'm going to meet. Oh, you see this? All these broken leaves. Yeah, that is because of the cockatoo. Yeah, so I meet them and their family. Okay, we are back home. And these the things that they gave me. Yeah, thank you very much. I don't know what it is yet. We're going to check. And it is now already 12:05. Yeah. Let me just upload the video because I have a pending video to upload. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that gives me a little sweating. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's a sunglass. Nice. Let's see. Oh, it's a cycling glass. Oh, and it also with this kind of prescription glass. Yeah, this is how it is. Some more here. Oh, they gave me this. What is this? Oh, and yeah, sunscreen. So we're going to work now. 1:33 when I left the house. Yeah, my duty is 2 o'clock. Look at that, very clean. Yeah, because the guys, they are cleaning. As you can read, mowing. Nice, really clean looking. Oh, there's guy, he's having a nap, sleeping. Nice. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Yeah, nice weather today. I am actually wondering why there is a little bit sprinkler of water. I don't know where where's that coming from, because look at the sky. It's all blue. She's knocking around. Oh, you maybe noticed that I have a new earbuds. Yeah, this is Jabra, and yeah, this is expensive. This is the Jabra Elite 75T. It was not my plan to buy this, but yeah, I was overwhelmed by the features. I bought this because if you remember, my Bone Conduction Earphone is already broken. Yeah, and my Apple earphone, I'm not comfortable anymore having the wire. Oh wow, this is beautiful here. Sparkling water. Okay, this is how it works. Once you take it out from your ear, it will stop. Yeah, the music will stop automatically. You notice that this is very small, but it is actually very powerful. I mean, it has so many features that you don't see in any other earphone, headphone, or earbuds. Yeah. So one of the best feature of this is of course the active noise cancellation, where you only hear the music and you don't hear anything around. I mean, you don't hear the noise of the car, the noise of the wind. You don't hear that. So it's good if you want to be relaxing and just listening to music. Another feature is the hear-through features. It means that you can hear everything. You hear the music and you also hear the sound, the noise of the environment. So basically, when hear-through is on, the microphone in here is activated. So you hear the wind, you hear the noise, you hear the pedal, you hear the environment. Yeah. So, and of course it has the equalizer and some basic features of most earphones. This is really nice. And like what I said, this is safe. It is not going to be loose around, because once you put it in your ears, it will play automatically. Yeah, and once you remove it, it will stop. And another feature of this is that you can connect it to the mobile phone or to your laptop at the same time. Nice. Okay, so at the moment I am playing the music and the active noise cancellation is off, and also the hear-through is off. But once I press this one, so it says hear-through. When the features is hear-through, and when you are on the bike, you're going to hear the sound of the wind, similar to when you play the video recorded with the mobile phone. Yeah, there is the noise like that if you are moving. I just press and now it's on active noise cancellation, and I hear only the music and my voice. Those are two features of AirPod that convinced me to buy this one. But I am actually still tempted to buy the new Bose. Yeah, the sunglass, the Bose Tempo. I like that. And if you want to reduce the volume, you just long press here and it will reduce the volume. This is the app where you see you can personalize. It has neutral, bass, boost, smooth, speech, treble, energize, Even ocean waves you can play. We are going home now because I need to do my laundry. You notice that my socks is the one from the airplane? That's why we need to go home now to do my laundry. We are now here in the grocery. We're going to buy egg. This is 1 dozen, $3.50. We're going to take one of these. This yeah, chocolate crossbun, hot crossbun, $5. And I'm going to take this. Yeah, this is 3 pieces, 3 pairs, and it's $14. Yeah. So basically, it comes with this charger. Yeah, this one. And you put that here. And it's going to be charging. Yeah, Jabra.